got the P10 with me, of course. Got my boy Supra here. This thing is nice. This thing sounds so good. We are at Fuji Speedway multi-purpose course. Look at this. There's some nice cars here. So my boy D-Works, Danny, invited me today to come. I was supposed to be drifting, but didn't do it, but it's okay. So we got some homies here though. This thing is nice. I seen this last time. It's so good. It's so good. I like it. There's a ton of drivers over here too. So my boy Joey is driving his FTJ car. He's just getting some seat time and practicing. So good practice is good. You know you like that. So let's just go down here real quick and just see. We always got to check out the cars, you know what I mean? That thing is so nice and clean. That's a straight missile. This thing looks like it's sitting up really high. I mean, it is a S14 or S15 motor, but it looks like it's sitting up so much higher. Bro, we got a Safira here, bro. What? This is gangster. This 14 is pretty clean. Zinky for life. See everybody rocking these ignition coils. Ignition Project. Never heard of it, but I saw the other car has it as well. Huh. That's some good driving right there. I see what you're doing. Joey trying to give me a little spool. So I think I've seen this car as well. This thing is pretty wild looking. This thing looks crazy. So you got some sprayers there. You got all the goods in this. So I had the privilege of being able to put a camera on my car so I can go ahead and chase these guys and just get some good footage up close. Even though it's with a GoPro, I think it's still pretty cool for 2 reasons. One, maybe 3. One, I get to drive my P10 along with drift cars, which is kind of scary at the same time, but this car is very fast, so I'll be okay. And then 2, I get a chance to drive on the track and not even pay, which is awesome. And then 3, I get to get some good footage. So hopefully I can get really close, and that's the advantage that I'll have because I'm not drifting, I'm in a grip car, so I'll be able to speed up and get as close as possible. But I do have to be alert. But here's the better part. I'm not holding the camera, I just have it on the car and recording. So I can really focus on driving. Boom. All right, so this is the main course here, and they actually have bike racing today, which is pretty cool. So maybe we'll get a chance to go and check it out. And these are like race bikes. But for now, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm gonna pass out if I don't. But yeah, I am starving. I love being at Fuji Speedway. It's something about like being at the racetrack. It's just like the greatest sensation ever. Overtake. If anybody knows what that is, I'm not sure. Well, I know what overtake means, but I don't know if this is like an anime or something. I'm assuming this is an anime, but I love racing. Got all these cool cars. It's pretty cool. And this is the coolest thing about this restaurant, is that you have this massive window that goes all the way across the restaurant, and you can see this turn right here, which is really cool. But like I said, right now, today, they're doing bike racing. So let's see what we can get to eat, because I am starving. But yeah, so then you come here and order. Ooh, we'll do English to make things easy. So set menu, we got some gyoza. What am I in the mood for? I guess I'm gonna go with my usual omelet rice, and then we'll just get some pureed chicken and fries.
Print ticket.
Yeah.
To confirm your please insert money.
Oh wait, go back. I need a drink. Oh no, I have a drink. It's
Please
okay.
insert money.
Okay. 1900 yen. So they print out these little tickets, and this has the meal. I'm going to get a spot right here. Alrighty. And they do have TV screens here, so you can watch the race while you are getting something to eat. It actually feels really, really fancy. Just watch some some racing. Boom, got my first meal. You know what's cool about these? Pretty sure that's an 8 mil. I need some 10 mils here. So I got my first meal, which is the fried chicken and french fries. Ooh, omelette. Hey, arigato. Damn, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn this up, but this thing is steaming hot. So, let's begin. All right, I am very grateful for today, for Danny down at D-Works for inviting me to come here and hang out. It was a lot of fun, and also for the main guy who hosted this event, who's also friends with Danny from D-Works, for allowing me to drive the P10 on the track and going out and filming Keen's Supra and the S15 over there as well, which are all friends from Danny from D-Works. So shout out to them. I made some new friends as well, which is always a plus. And yeah, man, today was a lot of fun, man. It was fun, and it was cool to bring this on the track here and like kind of rip on it, so it was kind of fun. And yeah, I had the GoPro actually mounted here, just in the front, and the only thing I did was like I messed up, and I should have had it on the widescreen. So, but the footage still came out really good, and it was great that I didn't have to hold the camera like that. That would be stupid, right? So I'm glad that I didn't have to do that, and I could just focus on driving and focus on chasing them. So, but yeah, so I'm super grateful for today, man. It was fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is a continuous video, a continuous day. This is the following day after RX-7 day at Mobata Circuit. So right now, like I said, we are at Fuji Speedway, and it's so cool to just be out to these tracks, you know. Like this one from my house is about like about an hour and a half, like an hour and 40 minutes, give or take with traffic. So event is over now, and I think there's one guy still practicing, and then the truck guys are gonna come and clean out the track. We're going to say goodbye to everybody and then enjoy. So as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy these videos and enjoy. Let's go. We're gonna get one more coffee before I hit the road. Go. I got that drip, baby, that drip.